Hello there. After 3 challenging years, the national housing market is projected to improve in 2026. Depending on mortgage rates, existing home sales are forecasted to rise between 1.7 and 14%. Home prices nationwide are expected to increase modestly, supported by job growth and tight supply. Inventory is projected to climb, giving buyers more leverage to negotiate purchases. Sellers should expect longer days on the market and price carefully amid moderate demand.